Looking to breathe new life into your aging Toshiba satellite radius laptop? Then consider the ATEC 16GB RAM kit. This kit, consisting of two 8GB DDR3 SATA modules, is specifically designed for a range of Toshiba satellite radius models, including the 14C006, 14C009, P50W, BST2N01, P50W, BST2N22, P50W, CBT3NX1, P55W, B5220, and P55W, B5224. One of the key benefits of this upgrade is the increased memory capacity. Bumping up from a smaller amount of RAM to 16 gigabytes can significantly improve your system's performance, especially when multitasking or running memory-intensive applications. The ATEC kit operates at 1,600 MHz with a PC3L 12800 rating, ensuring a fast and responsive experience. It's also a low-voltage kit, operating at 1.35 V, which can help with power efficiency and potentially extend battery life on your laptop. Installation is designed to be straightforward. ATEC has made it easy for users to install at home, without needing any specialized expertise. Just consult your system's manual for the correct seating and channel guidelines. ATEC also emphasizes quality control. Each memory module undergoes rigorous testing to ensure reliability and dependable performance. This commitment to quality is further backed by ATEC's limited lifetime warranty, providing peace of mind. Plus, their knowledgeable tech team is available to assist with any questions or concerns you may have, both before and after your purchase. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to boost the performance of your Toshiba satellite radius, the ATEC 16GB RAM kit is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.